You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian word, meaning lively. In Italian, it's used in music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, vivace, vivace. In English, similarly, vivace. Some say it as vivaci, but it's more vivace. Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian word, meaning lively. In Italian, it's used in music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, vivace, vivace. In English, similarly, vivace. Some say it as vivaci, but it's more vivace. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.